Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter 13 of English grammar, that is kinds of sentences. Dear students, in the previous chapter, in the chapter number 12, we have read the definition of sentence and parts of a sentence. Dear students, in the previous chapter, I have taught you that what is sentence. I have told that sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. And I have also told you that there are two parts of a sentence: subject and predicate. Dear students, those who did not attend the lecture of previous chapter, they may watch the video at my YouTube channel. And today we will discuss the chapter 13, that is kinds of sentence. Dear students, in this chapter we will discuss only and only kinds of the sentences. Dear students, there are so many kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and optative sentence. Dear students, although there is not given the optative sentence in your chapter, but I have told you that so that you could keep in your mind, and that things you have to read in the next class, in the class 5, 6, 7, that you have to read. But in class 4 you have to read only 4 kinds: assertive sentence, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Okay students, we will discuss all these kinds one by one. Okay, so first of all, you open your notebook and start writing how many kinds of sentences. Okay students, I am going to write also. You will also write in your notebook. So students, just put the heading kinds of sentence. Just put the heading kinds of sentences. There are so many kinds, 5 kinds, but we have to read only 4. Just put the heading. What are that? Assertive sentence, assertive sentence. Dear students, assertive sentence is also known as statement sentence, or declaratory sentence. So you can write here, or declaratory sentence. It is also known as declarative sentence. And it is also known as statement sentence. Okay, assertive sentences are known as declarative sentences as well as statements also. Okay students, so keep in your mind all assertive, declarative, and statements. All these names are the same. Okay, just see next, that is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Dear students, interrogative sentences are also known as question sentences. Okay, question sentences. So keep in your mind only. Okay, interrogative sentences are known as question sentences. Come to the third, that is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Okay, come to the next, fourth, that is exclamatory. Okay, exclamatory sentence. There is one more that is not given in your book, but you will write also. Okay, optative sentence. I will not teach you this, but you should know that there is one more kind, optative sentence. Okay students, there are 5 kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, that is also known as statement or declarative sentence, and second is interrogative sentence, it is also known as question sentence. Third is imperative sentence. Okay, and the fourth is exclamatory sentence, and fifth is optative sentence. Dear students, now we will discuss one by one all these kinds of sentences. Okay students, so first of all you will write these kinds name in your notebook. Okay, and after completing this You will put the heading first, assertive or declarative sentence. Okay, students. So I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have written. And after completing this kind, you will put the heading assertive sentence. Okay. Now we will discuss the assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? Okay, students. So just see. Put the heading assertive sentence. Just write down, students. Dear students, if you have any kind of doubts in anything, you can ask on WhatsApp. Just see. Assertive or declarative sentence. You put this heading. Okay, you can write only assertive sentence. It is too long. Okay, so you write only assertive sentence. Dear students, now we will discuss what is assertive sentence. Dear students, as the word indicates its meaning, assert, declare or state something. Assertive sentences are those which assert something or declared something or state a fact. Okay, suppose that I am writing a letter. It is a what? It is a kind of information, it is a kind of fact, it is a kind of declaration, it is a kind of assertion. Okay? So we can say that assertive sentences are those which assert something or declare something or state something about the subject. About whom? About the subject. Okay? So just write down what is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is a sentence that, write down, a sentence, it is also given in your book, you can also write from there, a sentence that makes a sentence that makes a statement or an assertion. Dear students, I think it is visible to you. Yes. Okay. Or an assertion is called a declarative or assertive sentence. It called a assertive or declarative sentence. Okay. Assertive. Just see, a sentence that makes a statement or an assertion is called as assertive, is called an assertive sentence. Okay, students, and just write down, it asserts or tells us what? Something. It tells us something about the subject. About the subject. About the subject. It starts with capital letter. Capital letter. And ends with a full stop. And ends with a full stop. Full stop. Dear students, you all know the sign of full stop in the bracket like this. Okay. So just see, students, what is assertive sentence? assertive sentence makes a statement or declaration or state or assert is called an assertive sentence. It assert or tells us something about the subject. It starts with the capital letter and ends with the full stop. Okay, students, that is very simple. It asserts something or declares something about whom? About the subject. Okay. For example, you can see example, write down. Just write down the example. Hari reads a book. You can see Hari reads a book. In this sentence, what is subject? That is subject. Hari is subject, and we are getting an information, getting an assertion, getting a statement that reads a book. Hari reads a book. This sentence asserts something. It declares something that Hari reads a book. Therefore, it is a kind of assertive sentence. Okay. So, students, keep in your mind that a sentence that asserts something or declares something, that is known as assertive sentence. And there is a condition. It always starts with the capital letter. You can see H is capital. Suppose that if I am writing here he, then H will be capital, and it always ends with the full stop. There would not be any kind of interrogative mark, any kind of exclamatory mark, any kind of other marks, other punctuation mark. So always keep in your mind that a assertive sentence always ends with the full stop and start with the capital letter. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood. And there is one more thing that you should know, that there are two types of assertive sentence. Okay, you have read the kinds of sentences. There are 5 kinds we have read: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory, and optative. But in the assertive sentence, there is also types. There are 2 types of assertive sentence. Okay, affirmative sentence, that is also known as simple sentence, and that is negative sentence. Another is negative sentence. Okay, so assertive sentence can be divided into 2 types. Okay, that is affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Okay, students, so first of all you write this, what is assertive sentence, then after you will put the heading, what types of assertive sentence. Okay, students, I hope that you all have written about assertive sentence. Okay, now we will discuss the types of assertive sentence. Okay, students. Yes, students, if you are getting any kind of difficulties in understanding, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, students, I hope that you all are understanding, but if you are unable to understand anything, then you may ask. Okay, that is very, very simple, that you have read already in the previous class also, in class 2, 3rd, and that topic you will find up to class 10, no doubt. Okay, that is very, very important topic. You will get in each class, in every class. Okay, only the level will be enhanced, increase. Okay, whatever you are reading this time, that you have to read in the next class also, but you will get in some improved manner. Okay, so students, I hope that you all have understood what is assertive sentence. Now we will discuss the types of assertive sentence. Okay, students, there are 2 types. Okay, just put the heading again, types of assertive sentence. That is also known as I hope that you all have understood. It is also known as declarative sentence. Okay, types of assertive sentence. It is also known as declarative sentence. There are two types you should keep in your mind. First, affirmative. Affirmative is also known as simple sentence. Okay, affirmative is also known as simple sentence, positive sentence. Okay, affirmative means positive, affirmation, positivity. Affirmative sentence, it is also known as positive sentence. And another is negative sentence. Negative sentence. Okay, students, keep in your mind, assertive sentence has also two types, affirmative and negative. And as the meaning of this word indicates its meaning itself, that affirmation means positive. Okay, negative means negation, negativity. Okay, so what is affirmative? It conveys the meaning in affirmation. Okay, it conveys the meaning in as, but it conveys the meaning in negation, no. Okay, students, so just put the heading, what is affirmative. Now we will also discuss what is affirmative. Now, students, you may use the Roman digit. Okay, so first of all we will discuss affirmative. What is affirmative? Put the heading, affirmative sentence. Just see, it conveys something positive. It conveys something. You see, it conveys something positive. Okay, it conveys something positive. Positive things. It conveys something positive thing about the whom, about the subject. About the subject. Just see, affirmative sentence, it conveys something positive. Positive means as. It conveys something positive things about the subject. It tells any affirmative things or any positive things about whom? About the subject. Suppose that example you may see. Example. Just see, Mahatma Gandhi, another example you may take. Okay, Ravi reads a book. This is your sentence. Students, one more thing that you should keep in your mind, that in this sentence you will not get any negative word. What are the negative words? No, not, never, neither. These are what? These are negative words. You will not get that. You will not get these words. No, not, never. These words you will not get in the affirmative kind of sentence. Okay, so just see here. Here we are getting what? Affirmative, affirmation, positive things about the subject. What is subject? Ravi. What is positive things? Reads a book. Ravi reads a book. There is no negative words. And it also starts with the capital letter and end with the full stop. So that is what? That is affirmative sentence. Okay? One more example you can see. She is playing cricket. He is playing cricket. Here there is no negative words. There is no not. There is no. Okay. So just see. He is playing cricket. It also asserts something, but in affirmation. Okay. Assertion is written in affirmation. Affirmation is positive. Positive is yes. There is no negative word. Okay, students. So just write down what is affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence always conveys something positive. Okay, some positive things. About the subject. So just write down the example. Ravi reads a book. He is playing cricket. Okay, students. And after completing it, you will put the heading negative sentence. Okay. Another heading you will put negative sentence. What is negative sentence? It conveys something negation or no. Just see. What is negative sentence? Dear students, I hope that you all have understood what is positive. So just see now negative sentence. Put the heading negative. It conveys negation. Okay, just write down. It conveys what? It conveys something negative. Dear students, I hope that it is visible to you. Yes. It conveys something negative. Just see. It conveys something negative or no. It conveys something negative or no. And O. No things. About the subject. About the subject. Just see. Yes, say students, what is negative sentence? It conveys, negative sentence conveys something negative or no things about the subject. The same example we will follow. We will see. Example you can see. The first example I had given in the previous affirmative sentence. What? Ravi reads a book. Just see students, Ravi reads a book. That is affirmative. But when we will make negative, we will use the helping verb does. Okay? Because that is reads. It means the sentence refers to the simple present tense. Therefore, it is mentioned here as or es according to the subject Ravi. Therefore, we will use the does. Suppose that is there any plural subject is there, then we will use do. Okay, but there is Ravi only, that is denotes only single person. So we will use does not. Ravi does not read book. Okay, students? You can see there is negative words. In negative sentences, you will get the negative words always. Okay? One more sentence you can see. He is playing cricket. He is playing cricket. So we will write here, he is not playing cricket. Okay, students? That is very simple. In negative sentence, you will get only negative words. You will get negative words. But in affirmative sentence, you will not get any kind of negative word. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood what is affirmative and what is negative. Okay, students, if you have any kind of doubts in affirmative or negative or what is assertive sentence, you may ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.